Hello, my name is Alina, I'm 30 years old and I came from Belgium. I never had a problem with my teeth, just I decided to change the color and the shape, and I found directly your clinic very fast. The doctor asked me what I want, and I don't want to cut very much my natural teeth. That's why we decided to make the Emax, that's all. So just I compare Antalya and Istanbul, and I decided why not to come here and spend my holidays and at the same time make my teeth. And also I want to say that Myra is very, for me, beautiful here. Nice, not expensive and good quality. This trip I was Old Town. If somebody asks me, I will say yes. You come there and make your teeth. I will use to see my face with new teeth. If we compare before and now, of course, now it's better. I cannot say that I don't like. I like cut. Never look the price. Think about you and quality. That's all. A really good quality of your teeth. If you want happy veneers in Turkey, choose Myra. Go back home with a very beautiful smile. Join the Myra experience. Bye!